How to fix TikTok has stopped it. Today, guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your device or your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps or applications. And here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search now just for TikTok. When you found TikTok, just open it like this and go directly to storage option. Then go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, unclear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now you have to go to Play Store and update your TikTok again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you in another video.